Welcome to this video on how to use a 5,000 kilogram or 5 ton ratchet strap. First up, it's really important that you make sure you choose the correct vehicle type and make sure you load it properly. You also have to be sure you're choosing the right securing method with adequate load restraints. So first things first, you want to make sure you uncall the ratchet strap and inspect it for any damage. What's really important during this process is you're looking for any frayed edges, cuts, or general signs of wear and tear. You also want to make sure that your strap is correctly rated for the activity you're going to be using it for. In the case of this strap, it has a brake strength of 5 ton and a lashing capacity of 2.5 ton. Next, I'm going to show you how to thread it through. First things first, make sure you connect both sides to your mounting points. Once you've secured both ends to your mounting points, it's time to feed the strap through the ratchet mechanism. For this, unfurl it completely and then make sure it's aligned the right way up as you feed it through the mechanism. This is also a good time to check for any additional signs of wear and tear. You first start by feeding it through the mechanism, and once you've fed it through the mechanism, pull through any of the excess slack. Now that the hooks are in place and the excess slack has been pulled through, it's time to tighten. Once the strap is tight, you lock the ratchet handle in place. Ensure the handle is fully locked down and any excess webbing is securely fastened. When you're ready to unload, release the ratchet strap by pulling the release lever. For more information, or if you want to buy yourself a 5 ton ratchet strap, please visit titanloadrestraints.co.uk.